my braiding pattern, and I got some individuals because I want to do some individuals. I feel like I probably made them too big this time. I definitely think I did. And I also got some individuals in the back. I was gonna do a whole perimeter, but at 1 o'clock in the morning I was over it. So I already got my hair prepped, and then this is just what it looks like. This is the loop. So what I'm going to do is just put the latch hook through, put the braid on the latch hook, close it. You always want to make sure you close it because you don't want it to snag. Pull it through. Then I'm gonna put this on there, put the end on there, close that, pull it through, and then you just make sure you pull everything through, including the hair. And there you go. Okay, so now that I have it like this, I am going to take my latch hook, put it through the braid, take my own braid, pull it through, and then I'm gonna just keep continuing to do this on the way down. And I always try to make sure I put it all the way at the top of the braid so it can all look uniform and you can't really tell where the individuals start or end. So I'm gonna put one right here as well. This is the easiest part. See? So that way when I pull them,
Hi, Mommy.
hi, it looks like that. And so it don't be super duper full and bulky looking, I've been spacing these 1 finger length apart. So basically before I place the next one, I just put my fingertip right here, 1 fingertip apart, and then I place the next one just like that. And then if it doesn't look as full as if it doesn't look as full as I wanted to, I go back in and I just fill in, you know, the finger spaces that I left out. Hey YouTube fam, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video, you guys already know because y'all saw the title, but I'm just gonna be installing Freetress's Boho Hippie braid. I did this on my channel a couple years ago and you guys really like that. So I got them in a color T30. I got color, you guys. So 22 inches. They do have 12 inches, which this not available at my beauty supply. I really wanted to try that one. So I bought 7 packs, but I bought 7 packs. I only used 5, and this is what I have left over. And the color is so cute, you guys. I want to show y'all all that color. Like, look at this. It is so cute. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, let me know, did you guys try these? Did you like the install? How did y'all like the braids? All right, guys, bye. Thanks for watching. Peace.